Happy Saturday night. We're going to Christmas party. Ano siya, Pinoy Christmas party dito sa Kettering. We're ready. I'm ready. And Baba too. Come on, show them. Show your attire. Wow. But he's not got his shoes yet. Ako naka-ready na, si Mr. No. Hindi pa nagbihis. At ito yung ating pa-attire. Can you hold it, Daddy, for us? This is our attire. Yay! Paalis na kami! We're going to the venue na maingay yung makapiright tayo ng music. Magaganda kong mga kasama, oh. Ang blooming ni ate sa lipstick. Pink. Nagpagupit ka, te? Nagpagupit ka?
Can you let everybody in?
Parang iksi ng buhok mo.
No, we can't. Okay. So,
Mama ka mo. Ay, oo nga pala.
okay. This gift,
Ang dami
we're gonna give it to the early bird. The early bird. And then the first ever family that has come here tonight. And that is
rooms behind St. Edward's, where youth all come together to gather food and clothing
Ang dami tao ngayon, walang
and
space.
toys and all kinds of essentials for the people who have lives that have lost everything. And I remember being so impressed then with the strength of the community that you belong to. And it strikes me by being here tonight that you're making it a priority to pass your culture and your love for family on to all the children that are here. And there are so many
Pag-iligid, please.
How many of you work in health service? Well, I'm a volunteer at the hospital myself in A&E, and I know from walking the corridors of the hospital how important the Filipino community is to the health of the hospital and in fact the health of all of the people who visit that hospital. And something without you guys, we'd be in big trouble. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to all that you do for Kettering, for the borough, for the people beyond, and for each other, because clearly you've got a lovely tight community here. And I wish you all the best to keep it strong. Never forget, we're stronger together. Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you again for inviting Sarah and myself. I look forward to spending some time with you tonight. Thanks.
Food namin, may lechon with stir fry. Mister, sabi na wine. Yeah. Wala na akong rice, inubos ni James. Dessert, oh. Base sa kakain. Uwi na kami, guys. It's about 10 o'clock now, 10 or 9. And yes, we had a nice time. Ang dami naming panalunan na presi. We're lucky this time. Nandito na si Babab and Daddy is getting ready. So, uwi na tayo. Sa bahay na kami. Look at the presi. Napanalunan ko. 7. Ang dami. This is all chocolate, I think.